I'm super excited for the next 2.5 weeks because I took off from work, which means I can spend all the time building the van. There should be tons of progress. Also, the weather seems kind of nice. It will get a bit warm, around 28 degrees on average. So the last 2 weeks I tried to order as much material as possible, and pretty soon I came to the conclusion that it's not going to be a boring holiday for me. I'm super excited to have you here and can't wait to get a few episodes out. Now let's have a look at all the stuff I got. So I've got a huge track for my handheld saw. That will help me with cutting out the big sheets of plywood for the inside. Then in here, some electrical stuff, shrink tubes or whatever you want to call that, crimping tools, some painting supplies, more glue and C-Coflex as always, some plugs and sockets for the electrical installation, lots of screws, and some sunshades so it doesn't heat up too much. Then I've got 2 packages. In here are some splicing connectors and lots more in this one. I got a set of chisels, my LED spots, some plugs for the ceiling paneling, of course more glue, a wire stripper, conduits and cables, more connectors, some jigsaw blades. There's a spider, I didn't order that. More screws, some metal brackets and angles, and yeah, that's it. So I want to keep these videos as interesting as possible. And the last one we did some framing, but that took forever. So I thought I'd ask on my Instagram whether I should start paneling the ceiling or continue framing. And within half an hour, there's only 3 answers, but it's 2 for lighting and ceiling paneling and just 1 for framing. So that's what we're gonna do. I just noticed I forgot to bring the most important part, of course, the wood. So let's go get that. All right, let's see where it's at. Let's go into the old wood shop. We need some light. All right, there we go. I think I got 3 packs, which, now that I'm thinking about it, might be a little on the low side. All right, so these are all the spruce boards I got, I think in episode 8 or 9. I think I'm gonna have a look at the boards, select the nicest pieces, and then there's gonna be some electrical stuff, mounts the LED spots, cutouts for the fans. There's quite a lot of things we gotta get done before installing this. Also, I never played Pokemon, but I imagine going through the pile of panels is like opening a pack. And I gotta say, I'm medium happy. Pretty much everything I selected out had some really big nuts. And I still need some panels for the side and the back door, but we'll cross that bridge once we get there. So I just noticed something. If we pretend this is gonna be the paneling piece, then the little bump outs are barely covered. So I'm wondering if I should put in a trim piece, which could double up working as a curtain holder. Looks like it fits. I gotta get the van out of the sun because it's getting really warm. And then just insulate a little bit up front where I glued in the little trim piece. And I know I kept saying, and then we're gonna start putting up the paneling and doing the electrical stuff, but then we're actually gonna get started on it. I'm afraid I might have lied to you. Ice cream break and then the electrical stuff. Probably shouldn't have done that. So here's the plan for the electrical. I've got 2 air vents, which I want to wire up individually so I can switch them on with a button over here. This is where all the switches are going to be. So all the cables need to come to the right side of the car. All of this is going to be kind of hidden, so it doesn't have to be the neatest. I just need the cables somewhere around here. And then I'm going to have the inverter over here, the solar charge controllers. I'll have the batteries somewhere down here. And then there's going to be a connection below the floor in here, where most of the fuses are going to be, as I said, the switches, some 12 volt outlets, and the 230 volt is gonna go up over here, so I have access from the kitchen, and if I need to run tools, I can run a cable out the back. And then all the way back on the left side, there's gonna be a 12 volt outlet for the fridge. I forgot to say one more thing. I need to get the cable from here over this piece of wood, so it will end up somewhere around here. So I need a way for the cable to get through this piece of wood. And for that vent, same thing for that piece of wood. I guess no chance that'll work, so probably gonna take out the router, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I'm gonna clean up the entire van because it's gonna get super messy. So let's just route the cables over it and then tomorrow figure out how to get it under wood paneling. It's day 2, it's already stupidly hot, and I gotta show you something. So last night I did some more research and I figured out that with these splicing connectors, you actually don't have to put any crimps on. Now they do work for the bigger cables, but for the smaller ones, it's actually way better to just put the cable in there, and that should give you a much better connection. And just look at the middle one. So I redid all the small wires. Now it's time to cut some slots in these pieces so we can route the cable through. That was a huge mess, but look at this. The blue line marks the middle of the piece. Just double check that the screw isn't gonna hit the cables, because that would be a bummer. Well, now I gotta clean this mess up. So I've got all the electrical stuff done, I changed a few things up. I'm running the power for all the 3 LEDs over the middle one because it's kind of stupid to do it over the last. That would increase the length quite a bit. Now I'm just wondering whether it makes sense to try out the lights before cladding everything up, because after that's done it's pretty much impossible to access all the connectors anymore. So yeah, I'm not sure if we can just hook it up to a battery, but I think since it's 12 volt that should work, so let's give it a go. Looks like it works. Well, I shouldn't be surprised, but it's still cool. Now I'm gonna do the same thing for the fans, but I'm not gonna bore you with that. And yeah, next up is gonna be prepping lots of panels, paint them, and then get them installed. And I already really like the look. It's gonna be super cozy, man, for sure. One nice thing about this warm weather is paint dries super fast. I already got 2 coats on, and let me show you, because the finish is spectacular. So I sanded it with 180 grit and used the paintbrush, but it shows no strokes at all, and it's just this kind of mirrored finish. I'm not sure if you can see it. Now you know what time it is. It's time for ice cream, but also thank you a lot for watching this far. If you enjoyed the video, then please leave a like. And if you're not subscribed yet, then hit that button, because I'm going to be filming tons of new content over the next 2 weeks, and you don't want to miss that. The van is more crooked than I thought, or the panels are. There was quite some forceful wiggling to get them in place, and it's just incredibly hot. I'm completely drenched. Looking forward for tomorrow. It's gonna be a lot colder. So see you then. Alright, today's the day. We're gonna finish up the ceiling. So the plan is to cut 3 more planks, and then the rest of the planks have to be installed once the walls are up, otherwise it won't fit together. The 3 remaining boards are quite tricky because of the vents where I need to cut around them. Also, if you're wondering what's up with the screw holes, I will plug them later on with some spruce plugs that should match the color perfectly, and then give it a final sand and coat of the glaze. But I'll wait with that until the build out is pretty much done, because I guess there's gonna be some scratches along the way, and then in the end we should have the perfect finish. So yeah, let's get to it. Now I'm super happy. I think it fits almost like a glove, and in the end there will be this trim piece which will hide all the imperfections. So yeah, now I got to pre-drill, sand, paint it, but you already know how that works. So let's try out this new trick I just learned. Whoa, that went quick. That looks like it's all sanded and painted. Well, now it's starting to rain and wind quite a bit, and it's super dark, so I threw on the lights, quite cozy, and yeah, I'd say let's glue in the last pieces. It's raining like crazy, but I'm so happy. It's so cozy in here. Lights are perfect. Ceiling, I think it looks great. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.